up, friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is your girl Kaye Lanhi, also known as Kaye. We're kicking off another video, guys. If this is your first time here, hey, hello, how are you? What have you been up to? So glad that you stopped through, and I hope that you stay. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with everyone you know, and I do mean everyone. And for all my returning subscribers, bring it in. Yes, guys, hey, I am so excited, y'all, about I'm so excited because I got a gift from a company which happens to be our sponsor for the day, and that is Read Your Heart. Read Your Heart is an affordable jewelry company that specializes in moissanite diamonds, and you guys know how I love me a good moissanite diamond. And if you don't know what moissanite diamonds are, those are the diamonds that are lab created instead of the normal way. So they did take the liberty of sending me over 3 items that I want to share with you guys that I absolutely love. Now, first things first, let's get into this packaging. I love how everything comes inside of one package, and it gives you the opportunity to either keep it for yourself by putting it in this bag or giving it to someone else. It also comes with the little cleaning cloth. Comes with your warranty card, a brochure with more information, on the diamond, and what sold me is the authentication. Girl, me and my words. The authentication cards. It comes with each piece of jewelry, so I absolutely love that. So you get to keep that. If you like me, you get to keep it in your little safe that you keep at home. So let's jump into this jewelry, shall we? Loving the packaging. It's that pretty blue. Or is it green? Blue green. Was this beautiful tennis bracelet. So, but y'all, look how good it looks on. Oh, I can't wait to meet up with one of the girls or a date and say, can you put this on me so I can be cute? So yes, that's their diamond tennis bracelet. All the product that I'm going to show you will be listed down below in the comments per use, guys. The next thing, if y'all don't know, on a daily, when y'all see me or I'm out, I'm big earrings, but on a daily, I love a good stud. So when I'm out on the go, I love a good stud for everyday wear. So these are what they sent over. Y'all get into them. So cute. You will be seeing this in the next upcoming vlog. Again, I will have these lists down below. And lastly, you know, you got to save the best for last. Lastly is this little diamond necklace. I didn't want to take it off the pack only because until I get ready to wear it, I want to keep it like that because the necklace part is so thin. I don't want it to fold. But y'all, look, get into this diamond necklace. It's a cross too. All of these items are perfect, are right on time for the holidays. Again, all the information will be listed below, and they also gave me a code K15 so you can save 15% on your order. Guys, head on over to Read Your Heart. Go ahead and get your Christmas shopping done, and let's get into this video. What's up, friends? We are back, and we're back with our little assistant, and it is what is it? You know, it's to kill you. And a little dragon fruit refresher. It's not a refresher. A little dragon fruit syrup and a little apple juice. Y'all, this is good. Oh my God. The bite from the apple, it's like the dragon fruit just jump in and say, oh, not today, and just smooths it out. So good. But y'all, I'm not gonna even hold you. You know why you're here. Not gonna lie, have not been in the mood to pick up the camera really, and so I hadn't been doing no shopping. I haven't really just been me. I've been like, it's almost like I'm standing outside my body watching me live and do the same thing over and over again. So I was like, you know what? We have to bring content. We have people that count on us, and so I was like, you know what? We ain't shop, so let's go shop our closet and let's put some Thanksgiving look, some things that I would wear to Thanksgiving. And so y'all know what I always say. I don't consider myself a fashion girl. I just like what I like, and I like to share what I like with you guys, and hoping that, you know, you like it or find inspiration from it. So what I did was I put a couple of outfits together, and where I would wear it to. If I put the outfits together, and then I just thought about all aspects of Thanksgiving and all that comes with it. So you have the going to the in-laws, or going to your own family, or Friendsgiving. I thought about all that, or hosting. So that's what I thought about when I put these looks together. So it's nothing too over the top. Something that you probably already have in your closet and didn't think about pairing together. Your girl got you. So let's jump into this first look. This first look, y'all, if y'all know me, y'all know I like to name stuff. So this first look is basically the hostess with the mostest. It's when you're at home and you didn't cook, and you did everything, and you're hosting Thanksgiving, you want something on comfortable but still cute, because you know you're gonna be caught in pictures and stuff, and from the side view and all that. You want to be ready. So I put this look together. It was just this two-piece that I got from Crazy Boss years ago. It is a little sheer, so it can give you a little sexy, but you can still be comfortable. And if you don't want to, and I put sneakers on with it, only because me as a hostess, the hostess with the mostest, which I am, y'all. If you know me in real life, when I entertain, I say all the time that I cater to my guests. So I'm constantly running. So for me, I put on tennis shoes. I also could have put on a slight little cute kitten heel with it as well, or just some house shoes, some cute house shoes. To me, it's still giving, I got dressed for Thanksgiving, but I didn't do too much, and I got elastic around my waist because I'm gonna eat. That part. So y'all tell me what you think about the hostess with the mostest outfit. Oh yeah, and the little purse. You probably saying, why you got that? Why did you pick that purse? That little pocketbook is the perfect size pocketbook to hold your phone. Because if you're the hostess with the mostest, 9 times out of 10, you gotta get, even though they use the GPS, they still gonna call you to get in. And in my case, if I'm hosting with and being Ernest's house, you're gonna have to be able to get through security to get to our house. So that you might need to call me for whatever reason. So that's why I just threw the clutch on. And besides, like I said, people calling, texting, and asking if you need to bring anything. You can have your phone on you and still look cute and still be put together for Thanksgiving. So tell me what you think about the hostess with the mostest, and let's get into this next one. So this next outfit, I wanted to call it cranberry, but it's giving more so like you're going to the in-laws for like the first time. Like for the first time for Thanksgiving, and you don't want to be too cash. You want to be just, you know, a cute little cutesy comfortable. Me, this is what I would wear to my in-laws for Thanksgiving. It's giving very festive. It's giving very oh, okay, look at cranberry sauce. You know, it's to me, it's cute, it's simple, it's effortless. The pants, again, are stretchy. They're Thanksgiving approved, honey. They're eat all you can, eat all you want, all you can eat outfit, because everything stretches. And you still got the little cover up, the little blazer. You still got the little blazer to go with it. So y'all, tell me what you think about Thanksgiving at the in-laws. aka cranberry. And let's get into this next look. Okay, so this next look is one of my favorites. Y'all, it's simple, sexy, and cute. So for Thanksgiving, I don't know exactly when this started, but over the past couple of years, most people celebrate Friendsgiving. And Friendsgiving, for those who don't know, is a Thanksgiving for your friends. So whether you're hosting, it's out somewhere, or you're going to someone's house, this outfit is what you want to wear. So this, I don't know if these are jorts or long shorts anyway. I absolutely love them. I love the length. I love how they fit. I love how it looks with this little flannel top with the little peekaboo bra up under. I just love it. It gives sexy, cute, fun, flirty, all of the things, and simple. Again, not too much of forget Thanksgiving approved, meaning elasticity in the pants or what have you, but let's just keep it real. With Friendsgiving, you do more drinking than you do eating. Because you're laughing and you're kikiing and you're catching up. So this to me is the perfect Friendsgiving outfit. Y'all tell me what you think, and let's get into this next one. Okay guys, here is another look. This particular look is if you and your boo is coming to your side of the family, and you know your side of the family, child, you know them better than you know the other side of the family. So you already know it's gonna be a lot of eating. You already know who cooked what, how it's gonna taste, and everything. So I thought elasticity again when I got ready to put this, and you know I was dying to wear this gold jacket. So this is what I put together to go to our side of the family with Bae. So this is our side of the family Thanksgiving, y'all. It's just simple and sweet. I know the heels probably look like they're super high, but they're very misleading. Even though they look high, they're very comfortable, very, very, very comfortable. And this coming from someone who had foot surgery some years ago with a plate in their foot. So those shoes are comfortable. So y'all, tell me what you think about Thanksgiving at the fam's house, and let's get into this final look, the finale. Woo, child, we gotta take a pause for the cows. Hold on. Baby, this is one of my favorite looks of the night. Now, fun fact about me, I love a good hat. I love a good hat, and I love when I'm glad that it's coming to the season to wear my hats. Y'all know I got all colors. If you don't know, I'll link the shorts behind you just so I'll link the short video in the comments so you can check out the different colors, the different styles. These came from both, and these hats I got them from both Shein and Temu. They're the exact same. But this look was inspired by us single ladies who family may not be cooking, and you may not have a boo. So you going from house to house picking up plates. Baby, you got to serve. You got to leave a lasting impression. You got to be like, oh, she was here but for 10 or 15 minutes, fixed her a plate and leave. But she was clean in a motherfucker. That's what you want to give off with this outfit. So this, y'all know I ain't wore these shoes, so I couldn't wait to pair it with that purse that I went and got. And this is what we came out with. A good denim on denim. Simple. Simple, simple, simple. I think I got this shirt from Ross like years ago. It's one of those shirts that you get, it's too small, then it's too big, then it's too small, then it's too big. So yeah, now we at the point where it's right on time. Well, actually I used to wear it open. So it's actually better than on time because I'm able to not button it up and tie it up, girl. So yes. The bottoms did come from my trusty Temu. I absolutely love those. I have them in black too. I love, love, love those. And that particular hat is from Shein. And you know, the shoes I got from Dillard's. I've been having them. And the purse came from Forever 21 and they're completely sold out on it. But y'all tell me what y'all tell me what y'all think about house hunting, house hopping for Thanksgiving. So guys, if you have stuck around to this part of the video, you are the real MVP. We love you. Love you, and we thank you, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. She's so persuaded.